Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you were trying to use some of the Microsoft 365 services, one of the things to note is that there was an outage that affected some users. We could see here at the down detector starting about 8 a.m. Eastern Time this morning how reports started really kicking in about problems at Microsoft 365. So some users reported that they weren't able to go online, change documents, or work on some of their Word, Excel, or PowerPoint presentations or whatever that they could actually modify online. I actually tried here a few minutes ago. It seems to work here, but definitely from all the blog posts and everything, I see a lot of people complaining. So if you're one of those that try to go online and modify or work on some of your documents or some of the Microsoft 365 services, the problems ranged anywhere from unable to log in to error messages to simply being incapable of opening any documents of any kind online. One word, it doesn't affect if you are using the Microsoft Office suite on your PC. That is different. So that is not what is affected. It's really if you're trying to use the online services to modify all of this. For example, if you're not at home and you have a Office 365 or Microsoft 365 account, you could use a tablet, you could use a PC, and you could actually modify online with the online versions of these same apps and see some of the documents, for example, you've been working on. So that's what's affected. It's the online part, not the suite itself if it's installed on your PC. Microsoft says that they're trying to bring back things and that it should be back to normal in a few hours. So if you still have some issues, just be patient, should be back. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.